No. No, Lopez. No. I Lopez, I gave you all the information I have. There's only so much I can acquire in 2 weeks. What did you want me to do? Trespass? You told me that if I did that again and got caught, your chief would make you lock me up in a cell. And you know, given what I am, I don't do well in cells. Unless you want an angry werewolf in the station, and then you'll have to explain what the hell I am. The building has security cameras, Lopez. I would be caught on tape. I'm a werewolf, Lopez. Not a ghost. Damn it, this woman is really gonna drive me over the edge with this case. Yes, I am a little bit perturbed. You said this was a missing person case, not a missing people case. If you had brought me in on this earlier, I might have been more help. I'm doing the best I can with the information that you've been giving me, which, by the way, is not a lot either. Oh, she did not just say that to me. She can't give me everything because it's police business. What a load of... Don't go there with me, detective. I can only do so much with what you're giving me. I can't give you everything, and then you only give me bits and pieces to work with. So give me more to work with, or get off my tail. Listen, I gotta go. You want me to get more information? Then let me have access to the file, Lopez. Otherwise, I can't work to my full capacity. Now, I gotta go. Nope, I gotta go. It's been lovely talking to you. Hey. Yeah, another not-so-fun phone call with Lopez again. But that usually happens when we start working on a case together. So, honestly, just par for the course. No. Don't worry about it. You watch. As soon as the case is done, she will come over, apologize for having the stick up her butt, and be super sweet until the next case comes up. It's just the way we work together. Honestly, don't worry your head. So, you've been working here for 2 weeks and you haven't shown signs of wanting to run away screaming. No, I didn't doubt that you could do the job. The office looks a lot cleaner than it has in a long while, too. And you figured out my file system pretty quickly. It wasn't that hard to figure out. Thank you. That's what I've been saying for years. All you have to do is spend some time to figure it out, and then it's easy. Well, I'm glad someone other than me thinks that way. Coffee? Oh, I would love some. Sorry, I didn't make a pot already. I've been on the phone with Lopez all morning. Tomorrow I'll have the brew already going, I promise. It's been 2 weeks now since they started, and damn, they have been the best 2 weeks of my life. Seeing their bright smile every morning, having them moving around the office, humming to themselves that little tune, and damn, they make a good cup of coffee. After after the first day, they memorized exactly how I like it. And what they wear, whew, it's so cute. Usually a pair of blue jeans and a flannel button-up. But sometimes, like today, they have the cutest business clothes on. But they always manage to have those boots. Damn. They really are a country mouse. Oh, thanks. I really needed this. How do you do that? Make such a good cup of coffee. Did you used to work in a shop or something? Oh, you used to work at a diner back in high school. Was this before you worked at the assistant's job? Well, then I'm mighty grateful that you learned how to make such a good cup of coffee. It must have been very sad when you quit working there. That's the best part of my day. That smile and then the giggle. So, besides settling into the job, you liking the city? Yeah? Oh, I know. It's pretty fast paced, isn't it? Oh, don't ever apologize when you're walking on the sidewalk. Just keep walking and keep your head up, because no one's going to apologize when they bump into you. Sorry. I know that sounds a little harsh, but trust me. The quicker you grow thicker skin to deal with the city, the better off you're going to be. Not that I want them to lose that country sweetness. Anyway, is there anything that I need to look at today? Oh, don't worry about Lopez none. I can handle her case later tonight. These cases are precedent at the moment because they're going to be the ones paying the bills. You remember how I told you which ones to pick from the batch? Yep. Basically, anything that doesn't involve us going straight to the police, we can take. And also the ones that are not someone trying to pull our leg. So, missing persons that the police can no longer look into, missing items, following people. We can take care of all those. Alright, hand me that pile and I will see which ones I can turn around quickly. Oh, do I have any appointments today? Just 2? Okay. Will you let me know when they come in? I'll just be in my office until then. There are just a couple of reports I need to fill out and some appointments I need to make of my own. You gonna be okay? I know. I know you've been okay the last couple of weeks. I'm still gonna ask. You can take the Southerner out of the South, but you can't exactly take the South out the Southerner. Remember, I want you to last the full month. If you need anything, I'll just be over here, okay? Don't worry about interrupting me. I'll be happy to help you out. What in the hell was that? Oil. Rotten fish. Must be some asshole that wants something. Or, wait. I know that guy. He was the one that poor man's wife was having an affair with. What in the hell is he doing in my office, though? And why is he getting so close to my receptionist? Sir, I do not like how close you are getting to them. Oh, and now you're yelling at him. Maybe I should go do something about that. I have to give him credit, though. They may seem sweet, but damn, they got some backbone to them. I wonder if they had to put up with assholes like that back where they came from. Maybe I should just let them try to handle it as best they can. I don't want them to think that I don't think that they can take care of themselves. I'll be damned. This is very amusing. This small little thing giving that asshole a run for his money. Damn. Not only is this amusing, this is kind of hot. Wait. Oh no. He did not just put his hands on them. Nope, that's it. Time to get involved. Sir, welcome to Moonlight Investigations. Is there anything I can help you with? Why, yes, that's me. So why don't you talk with me and leave my poor assistant alone? You did not just call them that in front of me. Now, sir, I suggest you turn around and get the hell out of my office before I make you get out. I don't much appreciate your tone, and I really don't appreciate when someone decides to put their grubby little hands on my employees. So, this is your last warning. Turn around and walk out that door on your own, or this is going to get a lot worse for you. All right? If that's how you want to handle this, Moonlight Investigations strives to service every customer. And if this is how you wish to be served, so be it. Hey, Country Mouse, why don't you go into the back room for a bit and get us another pot of coffee going while I take care of our guest? Oh, I'll be fine now. You just go on. I'll join you in just a minute. I told them just a minute because that's how long it's going to take for me to kick your sorry ass out my office. This is your last chance, pal. Walk out. Bless your heart. You did not just try to take a swing at me. Big mistake, pal. I was already on edge today. But I'm guessing I can let off a little bit of steam. Now, I really wouldn't waste any more of your energy, pal. You ain't winning this contest of strength. I did give you a warning to leave. But no, you had to play big old macho man. And you had to put your hands on my country mouse.
Call him that one more time and I will break every bone in your arm. Now I want you to leave my office. I don't want to see your fucking face around here ever again. And if I find out that you tried to find my assistant outside of work to try to give him any more hassle, I will hunt you down and make a chew toy out you. Well, if you didn't want your life becoming a living hell, you shouldn't have been sleeping with somebody else's wife, and not someone that has connections with your boss. Honestly, if it were me, I would have beat your ass from here to Texas. It looks like that man is much more clever than I, and has a lot more patience. Count yourself lucky I got patience of my own. Now get the hell out. Mitch, calm down. He ain't a rabbit. He ain't a rabbit. He is not a rabbit. He is not a rabbit. You don't get to chase him. I really want to chase him. No, you don't get to chase him. You don't get to chase him because he ain't a rabbit. It's been a while since I've been on a good hunt. No. He would make the perfect prey. Okay, Mitch, rein it back. Can't think like that right now. He's not a murderer. He ain't a kidnapper. He's just a buffoon. Just an idiot. You gotta calm down. You can't let her see you like this. Not yet. Just breathe. Mitch, you gotta get a hold of yourself. There we go. Now let's see how my cute little assistant is doing. Hey. Yeah, he's gone. We don't have to worry about him coming back now. Oh, it's not my first time dealing with fallout from a case. And it probably won't be my last. Honestly, I thought it was the husband that I was going to be the one to cause me trouble. Not the guy his wife was having an affair with. Yeah, well, that's the job we're in. Are you okay? Let me see your arm. Hush now. Let me see. I can't believe he dared grab you like that. I'm so sorry. I would have come out earlier, but you looked like you were handling yourself just fine. I hope this isn't what sends you running out that door. Oh, you had to deal with worse back home. Well, I'm sorry to hear that. That would explain why you didn't shy away when he started screaming in your face. Yeah, I guess I am a little impressed. Small thing like you being such a ball of fire underneath. Your arm looks fine. You might have a slight bruise forming, though. Well, don't you look like the cat that caught the canary? What's on your mind? Oh, you have thick skin. You throwing what I told you this morning in my face, huh? All right. I guess I deserved that.
You good to keep working? If you wanted to head home early, I'd understand. All right. Then let's both get a cup of coffee and keep on going. Looks like we've got about an hour to kill till lunch. And why don't I buy for the both of us today? Oh, no. It's my treat. You had to deal with an asshole today. Let me try to make that day a little bit better by taking you out to eat. You like tacos? There's a great food truck that's just a bit that way. Yeah? Alright. We can go there then. How do I know where the truck is? Oh, I got my smartphone app tells me where the truck is. Yeah. Well, I am getting better. I'm getting better. No, we won't need to call the police on him. Trust me, I took care of it. Let's just, get back to work, huh? And if that asshole tries to go after them, for whatever reason, I'm gonna introduce him to the big bad wolf that lives in this town.